Hey everyone, it's a brand new year, which means it's time for a brand new you. And what better way to level up your skincare game than with a glow up routine for your skin? In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to reset your skincare routine with the XSY Glow Essential Trio set. The XSY Glow Essential Trio includes Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum, Heartleaf My Type Calming Cream, and Complete No Stress Physical Sunscreen. Even if you're in your teens or in your 30s looking for a skin reset solution, this trio is the perfect solution for your skin. Step 1. After cleansing, take a few drops of the Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum and apply it to your face and neck, then gently massage it until it is fully absorbed. This is a lightweight serum that contains niacinamide, papaya extract, and squalene. Niacinamide helps to fade your dark spot and brighten your skin tone. Squalene is a hydrating ingredient that helps to keep your skin moisturized. Papaya is a gentle exfoliant that helps to remove your dead skin cells. Step 2. Now take a pea-sized amount of the Heartleaf My Type Calming Cream and apply it all over your face and neck, then massage it until it is fully absorbed. This is a lightweight cream that contains Heartleaf extract, Centella asiatica, and ceramides. Heartleaf extract helps to soothe irritation and redness. Centella asiatica helps to calm inflammation and promotes healing. Ceramide helps to strengthen your skin barrier. Step 3. Using the 3-finger rule, apply a generous amount of the Complete No Stress Physical Sunscreen to your face and neck, then reapply it every 2 hours. This is a lightweight sunscreen that provides broad-spectrum SPF 50+ protection. It soothes inflammation and prevents UV damage while keeping your skin hydrated and calm. I would definitely recommend the XSY Glow Essential Trio to anyone looking for a gentle and effective way to improve their skin. Now here are some additional tips. Be patient as it can take a while to see results from a new skincare routine. Don't forget to moisturize your skin even if you have an oily skin. Use your sunscreen every day even if it's cloudy. Drink plenty of water and eat a healthy diet. I hope this video inspires you to reset your skincare routine and to achieve that new year new skin glow. Remember, consistency is the key. Be patient, stick to your routine, and enjoy the journey to a healthier and happier skin. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do check the product links in the description box below. See you guys in our next video. Bye!